Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X7b, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like this, and then swipe down on this panel right here to extend the list of visible toggles. Obviously we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which should be added by default. Let's see if I can actually find it. Or I guess maybe not. So in this case, if it's not visible, we might need to add it ourselves, and we can do that by tapping right here on this little square, the pen, and let's swipe down to find the Do Not Disturb mode, and then grab it, drag it to the top, drop it, select done, and now you should have access to it. Now let's first turn it off and then hold it. This is for first time. You want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. Now I'm only going to be touching upon the more important options, at least the ones that I find more important, so let's get straight into it. First one from the top will be the schedule mode, which there's always one pre-made, basically sleeping mode. You can enable it, edit it, or add new ones if you want to, and you can have multiple schedules running at the same time. If you're planning to use a schedule mode, just make sure you toggle it on in here like this, and that's all you would do. Now, below that we have calls, so we can select who can call us, and we have choice between everyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. And then below that we have repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be bypassing whatever you have selected right here. And then messages has the same options as calls, just minus the little toggle right here. So anyway, with that being said, you can then quickly toggle on your Do Not Disturb mode either from here if you want to, or later on if you want to just do it quickly without actually going into the settings. You can find the toggle and just simply tap on it to turn it off, tap on it to turn it on, and that's it. Now, one more thing to keep in mind, once you enable your mode, it will be running by default indefinitely till you turn it off. So once you're done using it, you will need to just find the toggle and tap on it. Another option that you could utilize if you tend to forget about this is to select a schedule mode. Just add one that runs for just a single minute, from, like, for instance 12 or 11 p.m. to 11:01 p.m. So this would enable it, which if it's already running it wouldn't really do much, and then a minute later it would actually turn it off, which would be an option to have it turn off if you forget about it. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.